this video, I'm going to show you 5 kinds of quality colored pencils that are great for beginner artists, all for under $40. First, I want to say that at the time of making this video, the prices of these colored pencil sets were under $40 on Amazon. They may change over time to be either less or more expensive. I will have links to all the pencils featured in this video in the video description. Now, let's get into these brands of colored pencils. I have chosen these colored pencils for their quality wood casings and core, as well as performance for the lowest cost. I have also divided them into 2 categories to help you narrow down a choice that would better fit what you might prefer. One category is detailed drawings. These pencils are oil-based, and the other category is soft core, and these pencils are wax-based. Colored pencils have wax and oil bases to their cores. Ones that have more oil are what's called oil-based, and ones that have more wax are called wax-based. Pencils that are oil-based have a harder lead and can be sharpened to a much finer point and hold that point for much longer than a wax-based pencil can. This makes them great for detailed drawings. They also tend to be more translucent with their application to paper. Their drawback is that they require a little more pressure and effort to burnish blend with them, but if you blend with solvent, this isn't an issue at all. Wax-based pencils have a softer core that does not hold a sharp point, and the point you are able to get doesn't last for long. These soft, waxy cores make these pencils really great for filling in an area quickly and for burnish blending. They also tend to be more opaque when being applied to paper. If you are completely new and don't know what burnish or solvent blending is, I have a link to a blending video in the video description you can watch after this video. First, we'll go over the detailed drawing category, and the first ones for this is Faber-Castell's Classic. Faber-Castell is one of the top leading brands of exceptional quality colored pencils, offering the highest quality cedar casings and break-resistant leads to avoid breakage issues and especially with sharpening. The Classic set is their beginner line of pencils they offer. You can get them in a 24, 36, 48, or 60 set. I recommend at least getting the 48 set to have a good range of colors to choose from, and they also offer 2 graphite pencils, a sharpener, and eraser with their set for under $30. These are an oil-based colored pencil, so the leads are harder than your typical wax-based pencil. The pros to these pencils are they have a hexagon shape that helps you grip the pencils better, and this also means that they aren't going to roll away from you. They are designed to hold a sharp point for longer, which makes them ideal for detailed work, and that also makes them a lot less likely to chip or break. They have vibrant colors with a smooth laydown. They have high quality wood casings. Faber-Castell really does offer the best pencil quality out of most of the brands available, and they have high quality break-resistant cores. The cons to these pencils are the end of the pencil is not capped, leaving the core exposed and vulnerable to damage. Colors are not labeled on the pencils. They are pricier for the number of pencils you get in comparison to the other brands in this video, but for how high quality Faber-Castell makes their pencils, you will surely be getting some of the best. The next brand of pencils in the detailed drawing category are Zenacolor. These are available as a 72, 120, or 160 set, although I would recommend at least getting the 72 set, which is under $30. If you're just starting out and you want to see if colored pencils are going to be a good fit for you before you start buying any of the big sets. These are oil-based pencils, so they have a harder core, which means that you will need to apply a little more pressure to get heavier layers onto paper, but they are less likely to chip with doing so because of their harder core. The pros to these pencils are they are made with quality wood casings. They are 3.3mm break-resistant cores that will hold a nice sharp point to make drawing highly detailed drawings easier. They offer highly pigmented cores that will give you vibrant colors with a smooth laydown. These have a lot of colors available in sets, and colors are labeled on the pencils. The cons to these pencils are they are slightly water soluble, meaning if you put water on them, the binders in the pencil activate and you can smear them around a little bit. Or if you spray your drawing with a fixative, it might soften it a little bit. Of course, if you like having water soluble pencils, then this probably won't bother you. The ends of the pencils are also not capped, which leaves the cores exposed and prone to damage, and the colors don't match with the colors on the barrels very well. Next in the detailed drawing category is Schapira Farben. These are available as a 72 set and a 96 set. I recommend at least getting the 72 set because it gives you a good range of colors for getting yourself started, but you definitely don't need more than that to get yourself started unless you really want that many. The 72 set is under $40. These are oil-based pencils, so that means they hold their sharpness really well, which allows for highly detailed drawings. These pencils have a really soft laydown and feel very similar to Faber-Castell's Polychromos, making them very comfortable to work with. And for an oil pencil to hold a sharp point well and have a soft laydown, it's the best combination. The pros to these pencils are they are made with high quality wood casings and cores, making them easy to sharpen. The cores are 3.3 millimeters with vibrant colors. They have a smooth laydown with their soft oil-based cores, and colors are labeled on the pencils. The cons to these pencils are the colors don't match what colors are on the barrels very well, and these are just a tiny bit water soluble. Now we're going to move on to the soft core category, and the first one for this is Black Widow Monarch. These 3.3 millimeter pencils feature a hexagonal shape and have the colors labeled on the pencils, and they are unique in the way that they have black wooden casings, which makes them really stand out compared to most of the other colored pencil brands. These are wax-based pencils and feature a velvety smooth texture that burnish blends really well. These Black Widow colored pencils are available as a 24 set and a 48 set. They also offer a few separate color sets for skin tones. The 48 set is under $30. These pencils aim to offer quality wood casings, and their cores are not brittle so that they sharpen really easy without breakage. The pros to these pencils are they are made with quality wood casings, so they sharpen well without breaking. They have quality cores that will not crumble when drying. They have a velvety smooth laydown. They blend well with burnish blending, and the colors are also labeled on the pencils. The cons are colors don't quite match the color on the barrel of the pencil. They're prone to wax bloom, which over time the wax will develop a white haze on drawings, and this can be fixed by spraying them with a fixative when you finish your drawing, or by using a blow dryer over your drawing that has wax bloom already on it to warm the wax a little bit, and then you're going to want to spray it with fixative to prevent further wax bloom. And also, they are just a tiny bit water soluble. Probably not enough to significantly harm your drawings though. And just know that with wax bloom, this is something that is very typical to happen with basically all wax-based pencils. It's just that over time the wax kind of develops this waxy haze. And then we have Castle Art Supplies colored pencils. These pencils strive to make quality pencils for aspiring artists and beginners. These pencils are available in a 72 and 120 set, which of course I would recommend at least getting the 72 set so you can get a good feel for colored pencils before buying a big bunch of them. But really, it is all up to you with all of these brands on the sets that you feel you would be most suited with. The 72 set is under $40. These are wax-based pencils, which have a velvety smooth soft core when drawing on paper. The pros to these pencils are they have quality wood casings and cores with their pencils to ensure less breakage with sharpening. They have a soft wax core that makes them work well for burnish blending, and they also have really rich colors. The cons are limited number of grays, similar colors, and they are prone to wax bloom, of course. If you want to see more beginner colored pencil brands, check out the top right video. And if you're interested in learning how to draw with colored pencils, I offer 1 to 15 hour real-time drawing tutorials with a voiceover of tips and explanations over on Patreon. Signing up gives you instant access to a growing library of tutorials, and new tutorials are added each month. I've got a link in the video description. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video.